Yeah, I am a blind artist. I do 3D paintings. So right now in front of me there's a canvas and many people ask me how do I interact with colors. Usually my backgrounds are plain colors and the foregrounds I do it 3D. So on this canvas what I'm planning to do is on top I'm planning to do the sky and on the bottom I'm planning to do the sea. So when I'm painting it the sea color may be applied towards the sky color and vice versa. So for that what I do is I have this tape called masking tape. So what I usually do is I put it on the canvas like this and I'm just showing it roughly for the video. So once I glue it, so I know that this is the masking tape. So once I glued it, what I do is I color the sky area like this. So even if the color comes on the masking tape, it doesn't get applied towards the sea area. So I do 2 coats on the sky area. Once the first one is dried, I do 2 coats, second one. And once this is dry, I put the masking tape on the sky area. I remove the masking tape from the sea area and I put the masking tape on the sky area. So this way, I'm able to interact with colors and able to color the background. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.